Today on Delta Safari Chef's Vault, we go back to 2015 with a TV appearance I did on Studio 10. Oddly enough, this was the last TV appearance that I did before suffering a freak accident that kept me out of the kitchen and in the hospital for nearly 2 years. But that's a story for a different time. Right now, let's learn how to make the Piasano Burger.
We are here with Stuart Reb Donald, Loaded Beer Garden, and we are talking about
burgers.
Of course, we're talking about burgers. Now, tell me what this burger is, and you need to say it because I need to make sure I'm saying it right.
Piasano.
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 What is it?
It's well, the word is Italian slang for friend or buddy or pal.
Oh, so a friendly burger.
Yeah. But I'm going to start off with the Loda Burger, which is kind of our signature burger.
Okay.
It's where everything starts with because we do really great burgers there. And one of the things we start off with is a half-pound hand patted of ground beef that we get every single day from Mosley's Meat Market.
I was about to say, I always remember that about you guys, that you get it local and you support these local businesses like Mosley's Meat Market, and that's where you get your meat from.
Absolutely. You know, I've just recently joined the staff downtown at Loda Beer Garden. And this is my first time working in downtown Mobile in probably 15 years, and I absolutely love it. There is such a sense of community going on in downtown right now. All the bar owners and the restaurant owners know each other. They help each other out. And it's kind of like a small town from the 50s dropped in the middle of an urban setting. And I absolutely love being down there.
Now, I have to tell you, I went to, grabbed an appetizer from the Loaded Beer Garden after the symphony one night that I went and saw, and your place is hopping.
Yeah. My goodness, we are busy.
Yeah.
Saturday was my first day shift on a Saturday working there, and I was astonished because I get there at 8 in the morning, and there's people up and down the streets in downtown Mobile at 8 o'clock on a Saturday morning, and it's so refreshing.
Yeah, it's nice down there. And, you know, this week would be great to go enjoy downtown Mobile, enjoy a burger from there, low rain chances.
Absolutely.
See, I'm everybody.
Hey, y'all were talking earlier about the humidity products.
Right.
I have found one that is foolproof. A razor.
A razor? It just works. Maybe I should pull that off. Hey, I tell you what, my time getting ready in the morning would be cut in half, if not more than that.
You know, it is really quick.
Yeah.
Just hit it with a sponge.
I'll think about that, Stuart. I don't know how to look, but I'll think about it. So as far as this burger is concerned, what else on this one?
Okay, the Loda Burger, like I say, it's really the classic burger. It's lettuce, tomato, onions, pickle.
Okay.
And then we have all the condiments sitting at the table, and we'll always add any cheese. We've got pepper jack. We've got Swiss, we've got cheddar, we've got blue cheese, provolone, which I'm going to be using on the next burger.
Good.
So you can throw that on there. We can put some bacon on there. You know what? You want to get crazy? We'll throw a fried egg on it.
Oh,
in fact, we have a couple of burgers that come with fried eggs. We have a burger that comes with Sugar Rush donuts as the buns.
I'll just eat the donut. Actually, I know I'd eat it all. So we've got this going. This is a big patty here.
Yeah, that is a half pound, 8 ounces, and like I say, it's ground chuck from Mosley's, and I'm just going to season it with salt and pepper.
Okay.
And just really let the burger speak for itself.
So we'll keep that going, and coming up, Joe can put it all together, and we'll start with the friendly burger. I'm just going to call it the friendly burger.
The Piasano.
The friend burger, Joe. Friendly friend burger.
The friendly friend burger.
Yes.
Now it has a hyphen in it.
I'm just adding to it as I go.
Back in the kitchen with Stuart Reb Donald from Loda Beer Garden, and you were working on what Loda's classic, their traditional burger is. What's the name of their main burger? Is it just burger?
Loda Burger.
Loda Burger. There we go. All right, and now we're working on the one that Chasity can't pronounce. Is that correct?
Right. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this Loda Burger up, and I'm going to get the Piasano started.
Sounds good.
So like I say, it's just pretty basic. Lettuce. I'm going to pull this patty out. Put that on top. And now I'm going to go ahead and get my Piasano started so that it's actually cooked by the time the last segment gets here.
There we go.
Okay. And then I'm just going to top this one off. Got a little bit of tomato, and I always like to salt the tomato just a little bit because we're in the South and we like a little salt on our tomato. Maybe a few pickles, some onions, and you're ready to go. And I'll tell you, man, there's a lot of crazy things you can put on a burger, and I've done a few crazy things on here before and will in the future. But for me,
Yeah.
That with mustard and ketchup is the perfect burger. I don't need cheese. I don't need bacon.
That's all you need.
But I'm not going to say no to cheese and bacon here.
Yeah, we mentioned before I love cheese, so I'm adding cheese every opportunity I get. That's just
I
me,
get
though.
cheese on the next one, so you'll be okay, Wisconsin boy.
Sounds good. Now with the Piasano burger that we have here, how is this one going to wind up being different than the Loda burger?
Okay, well, we're going to cook the burger exactly the same. We've got the toasted bun. I'm going to do a little something extra to the bun on that one. I'm going to hit a little oil on top of it and sprinkle a little salt on top of it, so it's kind of got that garlic bread feel to it.
Ah, I like that.
Then we're going to put some of our homemade marinara on it. We're going to top it with some provolone that I told you about. And here's the kicker. Instead of bacon, pepperoni.
All right.
But not just pepperoni. We deep fry it.
Deep fried pepperoni. Now, you mentioned before that Piasano, Italian for a friend, acquaintance, and so those ingredients kind of lean more a little bit Italian too.
Right, exactly. And it's just, a different spin on the American burger. And I said, Piasano in Italian slang is friend. I think the traditional from Latin actually means peasant.
Okay.
Which burgers, everything we do on the Gulf Coast is really considered peasant food. It's what the blue-collar worker eats. A burger clearly fits that definition. Gumbo, fried shrimp po' boys are all peasant food, and they're the
That's all
best
good
food.
to me. I'll eat peasant food all day long.
Same here.
Tell me about Loda Beer Garden. What do the folks need to know about it?
We have a few beers there, right around 170, 175.
Wow.
But don't worry, we're getting more. We're about to add about 25 more taps.
Perfect.
And I think the grand total will bring us to 202, and I believe that's going to split somewhere between 101 on tap and 101 in bottles.
Any hints as to what some of one or two of the new ones might be?
Man, I don't even know what we got now. I'm just getting in there trying to get the menu learned, and then July 10th we have a new menu coming out with some new items on it. And I was telling Eric earlier, we're going to do a corn dog with bacon wrapped Conecuh sausage.
Wow. If you like corn dogs, that sounds like that's going to be the corn dog to end all corn dogs. Sounds great. Well, we'll let you continue working on this Piasano burger, and Chasity will come back in the kitchen in the third segment and call it the Friendly Friend Burger.
I mean, who doesn't like the Friendly Friend Burger? It sounds more inviting. We are cooking it up with Stuart Reb Donald. Stuart, my friend Stephanie, I think Stephanie Weaver is her name. I like to say her last name so she can get a bunch of texts that I'm talking about her. She wants a Friendly Friend Burger.
Huh? We open today at 3 o'clock at Loda Beer Garden.
Friendly Friend Burger for my friend.
Yeah, just tell her to ask for it by Piasano.
Oh, so she can't say the Friendly Friend Burger?
Well, I highly doubt.
know what I
Yeah,
I
but
was
I'm not
talking
going to
about.
be there.
True. Okay, well, maybe she can come to the studio and get this one. So we're finishing up this burger. Tell everybody the real name.
Piasano.
Piasano. All right. So what all do we have on it?
Okay, what I'm going to do is take a little of our homemade marinara.
Okay.
Put that across the top, and then I'm going to put on a couple of slices of provolone. We'll let that melt for a little bit. Now,
Is provolone your favorite cheese to put on there?
Actually, I have done this one with mozzarella. I've done it with fried mozzarella.
Love mozzarella.
Provolone is just a mozzarella that's aged a little longer, so the flavor's a little more intense.
I didn't know that.
Right. And one of the things we're getting ready to start doing at Loda Beer Garden is we're going to start doing lunch specials that are called Slide In for Lunch. And there'll be slider versions of burgers. We're going to get crazy with those. And we're going to use some really exotic stuff too. 100% organic grass-fed beef for some, maybe some ground elk or bison. We're just going to get really crazy with them. Have them priced a little more lunch friendly, and they cook a little faster so you can get in and out.
Right.
So keep a look on our Facebook page in the next week or two, and you should see those. All right, so I got a little melt here on my cheese. I'm going to bring it over.
I need to put some of these pictures on the Studio 10 Instagram page. I need to get on that.
All right, now I'm going to finish this off with, and like I said, this is kind of my answer to, there's no bacon on that burger. I fried some pepperoni. And that way it'll get that little bit of crunch to it. And then you've got that. So if you want to take a bite, you can try that one. It's a little hot. Or if you want to go for the traditional Loda burger.
I think I want to try this one.
All right.
But we're going to have to let it cool down for a second. I want to try this, so I'm always making things difficult for you, of course. I'm going to try this in the commercial break, let you guys know how it is. In the meantime, go see Stuart Reb Donald at Loda Beer Garden, downtown Mobile. As you heard, got some lunch specials coming up, and they're open late night too.
Absolutely. Late night, every night. Monday's the only day we don't do lunch.
Perfect. Good to know. And also keep up with their Facebook page. They put specials on there all the time. We'll be right back.
Hey, before you go hunting you some yonder, how about clicking that there subscribe and like button one time for me, would you?